Okay, hey there, it's Mohammed. First of all, I want to thank you so much for the opportunity to work on this technical assessment. I really enjoyed tackling the challenge and building on top of the foundation you provided. Let's go to see the GreenSupply Co project. As I saw, we had three tasks. Task one was the dashboard redesign. My goal in redesigning dashboard was to transform it from a basic data view into an insightful command center that feels professional, modern, and aligned with the company's eco-friendly brand. As you see, I chose the green theme for the project. As you can see, everywhere we have a green app bar and the writings, the text are green. And I decided to uh, choose the orange color to complete the green theme and to have that natural feeling from this website. Here we have four key performance indicators. We have total products, we have warehouses and low stock hours and total stock value. As you see, uh, low stock hours, for now we have $0, but I will show you then how it changes. And we have two key visualization using Research Lab. Uh, First of all, we have this. Um, it shows the warehouses holding the most inventory. You can see main distribution center, southern hub, and warehouse undefined and west coast facility. And the second one is which product category has the largest investment. You can see the quantity and the categories here. And if we hover over these um, warehouses, we can see the units are in the warehouses. And here we have the inventory summary. We have products, category, total quantity, reorder points, and everything else. And by clicking this, we can rearrange the products in yes. And then we go to the VS Code and see the code. Okay, here we have index.js. My dashboard is implemented here. Uh, I created a centralized function called fetch dashboard data. It keeps data fetching clean and organized. The data is then processed and let me see, then processed and uh, passed as props to reusable chart components. And here we have child components too. It's my charts in my components, category bar chart, and warehouse pie chart. The charts we saw in the dashboard are here. Okay, it's my first task, I think, and let's see the responsive of this dashboard. It's now for dimension Surface Pro 7. You can see iPhone SE, and as you see, it's fully responsive for all mobile phone and every other digital um, screen. Okay, and the task 2 was a stock transfer system. Let's go to transfer. Okay, here we have a form, current stock summary, and transfer history. Here you can see the products in each warehouse and the quantity of them. We choose the from warehouse to where warehouse and product and quantity. I choose main distribution center. And for example, we choose bamboo sports set to West Coast facility. Here you can't choose the from warehouse to. You just can use to warehouse. We have West Coast facility. The product is bamboo sports set, and here shows you the available source which is 200 units. If you enter 333 and click the transfer stock, it says insufficient stock in source warehouse. So we should use about 190 of them. Then transfer stock, transfer successful. And here, the transfer history, we can see bamboo sport set 190 units has transferred. And here in main distribution center, bamboo sport set remaining is 10. Okay, and we can go to dashboard now. We have a low stock alert. And if you uh, mention this uh, chart, you can see the quantity of main distribution center has changed because it's live. And now we can see low stock alerts. Okay, let's go to API transfers. That's my API here. Transfers index. Uh, it handles a post request. It validates the request and reads stock.json, updates the quantities for both and the form and the warehouses. Then sends updated stock data back. It's task 3. Let's go to task. It was task 2. Let's go to task 3. Low stock alerts and reorder system. As you see here, we have low stock alert here in the dashboard too, but we have an alerts page here. It automatically identifies products that have fallen below their order points. It has a 4-tier status system, critical, low, overstocked, and so on. Here, manager has two options, order and mark as resolved. Mark as resolved is for when the manager already reordered and just want to mark this as resolved, but as you can see, alert makes as a result. Marked as result, yeah. When you click this button, it doesn't go away and it still shows this. But if you order 190 of them bamboo sport sets, you will see in some seconds that it vanishes. Yeah, all the stock levels are sufficient. Okay, let's see API alerts.js. API alerts. Okay, here we have a get request. Here we have a get request that handles the logic of calculating a status of products, and we have a post request that handles actions, updates, stock.json, and alert history JSON. And alert dash history JSON is here. Let me show you in data alert history JSON. Here you can see the history of alerts in a JSON file. You can see here timestamp, product, warehouse, order, quantity, and action. We reordered it. It was in main distribution center, bamboo set, and the quantity was 190. I thought it would be useful for future use cases. Okay, let's go to key decisions and reflections. Now I want to point to some architectural decisions. The most important one of them is ensuring the UI data changes real time and without requiring page refresh. I wanted my data to be in real time, so I came up with two solutions. First, it was in backend for performance. I implemented a simple in-memory cache that I made sure to explicitly invalidate the cache after every post. So when I do a GET request, server it serves the fresh data. And second, I used um, a custom event system in front end after a successful action. My code dispatches a global dashboard refresh event, and it handles everything. Okay, regarding limitations of current system, my current system relies on JSON files for data storage. While this is great for prototype, it doesn't scale well. So the next step I think would be to migrate to a proper database like PostgreSQL or MongoDB. Additionally, I would implement a more robust caching layer, perhaps with Redis for a production environment. Finally, I would add um, unit and integration tests to ensure long-term reliability, and to something else I should mention is here you can see again low stack alerts. It's the real-time fishing I was talking about. Okay, to summarize, I think in my project I focused on building a clean, maintainable, user-centric, and user-friendly site that solves real business problems for GreenSupply Co, the name we chose. Okay, thank you again for this great opportunity. I'm very excited about the possibility of contributing to the team at Acore Technology. I look forward to hearing from you. Goodbye.